to aggravate, or we want to talk. To talk is not a thing that is good. We know. But when you talk, if you no hear, the hand go reach am. I am not going to.
What does that mean?
No, I'm not going to tell you again. That is, we can give him, we can administer, like it depending on the waiting make am aggravators now. We can administer like Abito Shaker. We can administer Ganduska. We can administer Lebadu Perez. And the last but not the least is the Abito Shaker. One must correct it. Because if we don't correct it today, I'm telling you, it will grow. It will turn to another thing. We are trying to make the society good for everybody. So make una not tie our hand. You people that is the system that is making the decision, not tie parents' hand. Because if we no handle them now, police will handle them for us tomorrow. We don't want police to handle them for us tomorrow. And we don't even want to make them appear before you tomorrow. That is why Judge Dede, sir, I will adjourn my case. Thank you.
Okay.
I will objection my case. The objection overruled.
Okay, let's just move on to the next topic, honestly. So here, I hear that you have a problem with sleepovers. Please also tell me what to deal with that.
You say?
Sleepovers, allowing your kids to spend the night with their friends. What's the issue with that? Please explain that, ma'am. And please tell me in a few short, simple sentences what your problem with sleepovers is.
You're knocking grammar right now because you never get pikin, you never get wife. When you get pikin, get wife, you will understand what I'm talking about. But just to talk allegedly of waiting sleepover, I am not saying sleepover. The question is waiting they pinch you for your house. Waiting is pinching you for your house. But anyway, let us leave that one allegedly. Okay, I'm not saying, it's not that every time they say African mother, he don't like sleepover. African mother, he don't like sleepover. That is not true, quite all right. That is not true. Our problem, our challenge is anywhere you are going to do sleepover, I have to be convinced, say you have to be there. There's an adage in Africa. They say, what a pikin, what a mother or a father sit down, where he sit for up. What a mother sits or father sits, he can able to see what is up. Even pikin sef, if he climb up, he cannot be able to see again. I will tell you why. They think that sleepover, we are just going to go to their house, we are going to sleep. Plenty things is happening in sleepover that the eyes of the physical cannot see.
Of course, but you have to give your child.
This is my child. This is not your child. It's not you now that will tell me. You know, the child that will tell me. Say he want to go. If he want to go for sleepover, I will assess the situation. I want to know who the parents, who them be. I want to know. I want to be sure. I want to know the house, because whether you like it or not, we hear a lot of stories. I'm not saying sleepover is bad. That's what they are saying everywhere. Oh, African parents, they don't let their parents do sleepover. Yes, but no, but yes, but even though. It's not like if I know the person, I am convinced, I am okay with the person, why not? My pikin can go and do sleepover. But they will not, they think that, oh, may say, I'm going for sleepover now, you carry your bag, you carry your clothes, you go for sleepover. I say it cannot happen. It don't go happen, eh?
There's nothing wrong with sleepover. All my other friends, they like
Sarah! If I...
Please.
Oh, sorry. Pardon my
even the thing is, my friend only lives 2 houses away. You know their parents, you're even friends with their parents, you know their house, and you still don't let me sleep over.
Okay. So
you
don't talk finish.
Ma'am.
They continue.
Ma'am, honestly, after hearing you for the past couple minutes, I have to ask you, what did you study in school? Because honestly, I'm beginning to get extremely concerned about your education.
I'm concerned about you too.
Excuse me?
Concerned about me. I'm concerned about you too.
This question you have to ask.
Tell me not to talk to me again. No, if you talk to me again,
hello, security.
If you talk to me again,
security, please.
We did they call security.
What?
You're not gonna ask the question.
Honestly,
I attend Anointed Teachers College with a first degree. I'm the one that graduate first degree. I study English and logistics, sir. English and logistics.
And logistics?
That's very hard.
Is it not logistics? Waiting I be study again.
Is there even a course like that?
That's very hard to believe.
So you're telling me right now that you studied English?
Now you study it for me. Are you the one that studied it for me?
It doesn't sound like you studied English.
You yourself, you don't stand like you study George Walker.
Excuse me?
You too. I'm sorry. You not go come. Even though you sit down for this thing, wear this day the cloth. I can senior it.
What?
So I can senior it. So
what are you talking about?
I say if you say you no believe wetin I study, me sef I no believe wetin you study.
Ma'am, honestly, after hearing you, I have serious concerns about your education.
Me sef I
and
get
the legitimacy of your education.
It's just like you are. I'm sorry to say, but
no, there's nothing wrong with the judge. It's only you. It's your English.
They call you. I talk it. Am I talking to it?
Please.
I'm talking to
no,
them.
honestly, hear him out because I have a serious issue with your English.
I'm talking to you. Why you not tell it is talking to you?
Because
talking to you.
I'm talking to you.
I'm sorry. I don't understand. You don't know who I am. I don't know who you are.
Anyways, please, as you were saying, please tell me about your education because I honestly need to fact check your education. If I don't do this, we need to fact check your education.
I don't say.
Do you have any documents or anything? Because honestly, I don't even think that you should be able to legally have a child in your care. Because I don't think that you should be legally allowed to have a child in your care.
Now they start. That's how they start. So because I can't speak English now, I cannot read the.
That's exactly the reason.
Yes.
Who talked to me?
Security!
Thank you, Zion Kings and Queens, all for always returning back to support, to watch. I hope you're having a good time. I hope you're enjoying yourself here. We love you. Take care. God bless you. Bye.